INS Vikrant is India's first indigenous aircraft carrier designed and built in India. It represents a major step in strengthening India's naval capabilities and self-reliance in defense.
Салам. Обзор на бабушку.
With a displacement of over 45,000 tons, INS Vikrant is among the largest warships ever built in India. Its massive flight deck and reinforced hull allow it to operate safely in open oceans for long durations. INS Vikrant is designed to carry and operate around 30 aircraft, including MiG-29K fighter jets and advanced helicopters. The ski jump configuration allows fighter aircraft to take off efficiently without catapult systems. The carrier enables continuous air operations, providing air defense, surveillance, and strike capability far from India's coastline. This makes INS Vikrant a mobile airbase at sea. INS Vikrant is equipped with advanced radar systems, electronic warfare suites, and close-in weapon systems. These systems protect the carrier from aerial, surface, and missile threats. Designed for long-range deployments, INS Vikrant can operate continuously at sea with minimal support. Its endurance allows India to maintain a strong presence across the Indian Ocean region.